What if I told you there is one simple exercise that can reshape your body, boost your fitness, and revolutionize your health in ways you never imagined? Yes, you heard that right. Jumping rope isn't just child's play. It's a full-body workout that has stood the test of time as a cornerstone of fitness routines across the globe. Whether you're an athlete or someone looking to shed extra pounds, this underrated exercise has the power to transform your body and mind. At Nathan Health and Fitness, we're committed to bringing you such timeless and effective fitness tips that truly make a difference in your health journey. Boost cardiovascular health. Jumping rope is a high-intensity cardiovascular exercise that challenges your heart and lungs. As you jump, your heart rate increases rapidly, promoting better circulation and oxygen delivery to your muscles and organs. Over time, this strengthens your heart, reduces resting heart rate, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Research shows that just 10 minutes of jumping rope daily can have the same cardiovascular benefits as 30 minutes of running. For those looking to prevent heart disease or manage blood pressure, a regular jump rope routine can work wonders. Promotes weight loss. Jumping rope is one of the most effective calorie-burning exercises. Depending on your weight and intensity level, you can burn up to 15 calories per minute. This makes it an excellent tool for weight loss and fat burning. Compared to other workouts, jumping rope offers an efficient way to create a calorie deficit, essential for shedding pounds. Moreover, the high-intensity nature of this exercise triggers the afterburn effect EPOC, meaning your body continues to burn calories even after you finish jumping. Builds muscle strength and endurance. While jumping rope may seem like a cardio-dominant exercise, it's also a great way to build muscle strength and endurance. The repetitive motion engages major muscle groups, including legs, calves, quads, and hamstrings work hard to keep you bouncing. Core. Your abs stabilize your body during jumps, leading to a stronger core. Upper body. The constant movement of the rope strengthens your shoulders, arms, and wrists. Over time, these muscles become more toned and resilient, allowing you to perform other physical activities with greater ease. Improves coordination and balance. One of the most noticeable changes when jumping rope regularly is enhanced coordination. The rhythmic nature of this exercise requires you to sync your hands, feet, and eyes, improving neuromuscular efficiency. This boost in coordination can be particularly beneficial for athletes and older adults. For athletes, it sharpens reflexes and agility, while for seniors, it reduces the risk of falls and enhances balance. Enhances bone density. Jumping rope is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it stimulates bone growth and improves bone density. The impact of each jump sends signals to your bones to strengthen and adapt to the stress. This makes it an excellent activity for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining skeletal health. Studies have shown that just a few minutes of high-impact activities like jumping rope daily can significantly enhance bone mineral density over time. Boosts mental health. The benefits of jumping rope go beyond physical fitness. The rhythmic nature of the exercise promotes mindfulness, helping you stay present and reduce stress. Additionally, the release of endorphins during exercise acts as a natural mood booster, combating anxiety and depression. As you master new jump rope techniques, you also gain a sense of accomplishment, boosting your self-esteem and confidence. Increases metabolic rate. Jumping rope is a metabolism-boosting powerhouse. The high-intensity intervals during jumping challenge your body to work harder, elevating your metabolism. This helps in faster digestion, better energy utilization, and improved overall metabolic health. If you're looking to jumpstart your metabolism, incorporating jumping rope into your routine is a quick and effective solution. Improves posture and core stability. Poor posture is a common issue in today's sedentary lifestyle. Jumping rope forces you to engage your core and maintain an upright position, which helps correct postural imbalances. With regular practice, you'll notice improvements in how you carry yourself both during exercise and in daily life. Enhances agility and athletic performance. It's no surprise that boxers and professional athletes swear by jump rope training. The quick footwork and explosive movements enhance agility, speed, and reaction time. For athletes, this translates to better performance in their respective sports. Helps with injury prevention. By strengthening the muscles around your joints, particularly in the ankles and knees, jumping rope helps reduce the risk of injuries. The controlled movements also improve proprioception, body awareness, making it easier to avoid awkward falls or missteps. Longevity and healthy aging. Jumping rope is a versatile workout that can be modified for different fitness levels, making it a lifelong fitness option. For older adults, it helps maintain muscle mass, bone density, and cardiovascular health, all of which contribute to a longer, healthier life. Conclusion: jumping rope is more than just an exercise. It's a transformative tool that reshapes your body and revitalizes your health. By committing to just a few minutes daily, you can unlock incredible benefits, from a stronger heart to a leaner physique and sharper mind. So grab a rope and start jumping. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. See you soon.